Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the headphones. Connect the USB cable and charge until the LED shows full. Once charged, flip the power switch to enter pairing mode. The LED blinks to show readiness. Make sure the ear cup sits snugly over your ears to create a proper seal because that improves bass and noise isolation. If you have an inline audio cable, plug it for wired listening. Now you're ready to pair with your device and take the next step. You'll pair by holding the power button until the LED blinks rapidly. That signals Bluetooth pairing mode. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and select Beat Studio 3 from the device list. Pairing is usually instant. Once connected, use the on-ear buttons to control playback, play /pause and skip, and answer calls with the multifunction button. Make sure to enable device audio and media permissions so calls route correctly. If you move between two devices, use power cycling to force a fresh reconnect. You finish by confirming firmware is current in the Beats app. Updates resolve latency and connectivity problems. Once updated, fine-tune fit and active noise canceling level so soundstage and comfort match your listening. Make sure device volume and app volume are both set. Mismatched levels can mute audio. If you encounter glitches or intermittent audio, reset the headphones by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds, then repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.